Hello YouTube, how you doing? This is Wanda, back from my long vacation. As you can see, the last video that I shot was a really long time ago. But let me tell you why I came back. I have a secret mission I'm getting ready to go on in a little while, maybe a little less than a month. And I'm going to be gone for at least 5 months. So I was having a little dilemma trying to figure out what to do with my hair. Should I get some braids or should I get like crochet or something that would be very low maintenance and that I can upkeep for months at a time until I get back to get my hair done again. So I went and pondered and I kind of just realized I was like, the less maintenance thing for me to do is to get some hair sewed in. Now, I am not a weave expert or anything. I don't spend a lot of money on hair. In fact, this hair that I have in right now is like the most I ever spent on hair, and this was like 90 something dollars, worth of hair. But this is like a wet and wavy type of situation, so it's not as less maintenance as I would like it to be, because I find myself having to run my hands through it like with water at least every morning or every day or whatever. Not actually put product on it, but to kind of tame it down. I don't even want to do that. So I went online and went to some online stores that sell like some good quality hair, and I came across this company, and they had like the cheapest hair for like Peruvian and Malaysian and all that stuff. Excuse if I'm saying the words wrong. Like I said, I don't know much about hair, but I was like, I could either give this company a try or go ahead and spend like $500 or $600 on some hair. And I'm gonna tell y'all, my soul just wouldn't let me do it. My soul just wouldn't let me hit that buy button. So like I said, I came across this company and I went on YouTube to look at some reviews, and I saw a lot of reviews, but I saw a lot of mixed reviews. So some people enjoyed it, some people didn't. Some people are endorsed by this company. So it's kind of like, I don't know if I should try it or should I listen to them, blah 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 blah. So the company that I'm talking about is uh, let me pull it out. Just to let you know, the hair comes in this package here. I haven't even opened it. I cut it open out of sake of time. This is the company here. It's UNICE, UNICE, I guess. And it's supposed to be 100% virgin hair, supposedly. Now, I've been holding on to this package, I know, for like 2 days, itching to get into it, but I wanted to do this first impression review on this hair because I'm actually going to show it after it's been installed, and then I'm going to do another video after the month's time and give you the skinny on if it actually held up or not. Now, I ordered from this company, and the hair got here pretty damn fast. I think I ordered on a Sunday, and it got here on Wednesday. I'm going to say Wednesday. So it came pretty damn fast. So, and it comes in this very, very nice packaging. It has all their social media on here. And I actually forgot the name of the hair that I got, so I need to look. Can't remember what kind of hair I got. And it doesn't say on the package. But to be honest, I think I got deep wave. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it on the screen. But the kind of hair I got is deep wave. And it comes in this little package here. It would be nice if they have the name of the hair there, but they don't. It just has 100% human hair on the package. And it has a little return label. Oh, they sent me some lashes. 1 second. Come on. Excuse me, I had to let my baby in. But yeah, they sent me some lashes. On the back it has little directions on it. I have 3 bundles here. I should have a 12-inch, a 14-inch, and a 16-inch. So I'm guessing this is the 12-inch. It has 12 on it. And this is the 14-inch, and this is the 16-inch. Now, the price I paid for this hair was $90. $90. And I think the kind of hair, like I said, if I'm wrong, I will correct it on the screen or send like a revised video after this one. But I have the Peruvian Deep Wave in 12, 14, and 16 inches, and all 3 bundles was $90. So what I'm going to show you guys is the 16-inch. It comes with like a little net. Has some care tips. Let me take the net off so we can see. Oh. It feels pretty good. But there is some shedding. But I mean, from my understanding with curly hair, that happens. So, and those are the webs. I'll give you a closer look. So, they're pretty thick webs. Nice hair. And it says pressed. It has virgin human hair on here, but it's really pretty. Alright, so that's the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it back up all nice and pretty for my install. I will be getting my hair done on Thursday afternoon. So after my install, I will make another YouTube video so you guys can see the finished product. And talk some more about the hair, like how much shedding, the process she used with the sewing of the hair, like if she cut any of the webs, any of the tracks. I'm gonna see if I can get her to do it without too much cutting of the tracks, so it'll be less shedding. So I'm excited. Like I told y'all, I mean, this is new to me, so wish me luck. So stay tuned for the finished product.